Hello there. Today I'm showing you tip number 2 from my hints and tips, and this one is to do with the signboards that I use, which I've shown you many times that I like to use, particularly in my practice sessions. So you'll see them more when I'm having play days or practices, because it's really good surface. It's a really good surface for painting on. But the reason I wanted to show it to you today was because although you see me using it for painting a lot, I have never shown you the real reason why I enjoy using these so much. This one still has my cooling rack blue tacked to the back of it. When I'm finished, I just usually pull the blue tack up and pull the cooling rack off the signboard so that I can do what I want to do. So the painting is dry and I want to use it as a skin. These boards make excellent painting skins. So what I do is I get a small sharp knife, and I have already done this because it takes a little bit of time. I have managed to lift a corner of the paint up with my knife so that I can then start to peel the skin that I want, and of course I am then able to reuse the board. So I'm going to pull the paint off this now, and I will speed it up when I edit the video because it does take a little while to do. I gradually lift the edges of the paint away. It does stretch it a little, of course, but that's not a problem if I'm just using the skin for small things like using on cabochons. Right, I've almost cleared off my board. I sped that up a lot, of course, because this one is actually one of the more challenging ones. Usually I find them easier to take off, so this one I think I had the paint a lot thinner on. It was from my video number 238 on a play day that I was doing. Here's my skin all ready to use. Yes, you can see the lines going down on it from the plastic, but I actually find they are not a problem. I can put that round a notebook or a small box, like a jewellery box, and it will look really, really pretty. So I'm happy with being able to make skins like that and be able to reuse the board again for further practice sessions. That's it for me for tip number 2. I'll see you again next time, and thank you for joining me.